Is it going to
opening?
Yeah, is it going to drop? I don't think it's going to drop. I don't think anyway.
Yep.
That's really odd.
Sure.
I think the frost pro dryer is not working now for some reason. Anyways.
That's odd.
Yeah. Anyways, what I'm going to say is we are at an Esso's Circle K gas station located on Kingston Road near Pickering, and they have a Ryko radius system due to the Ryko's dryer.
And we have a malfunctioning thrust pro.
Yeah. He's going through really fast for the dryers.
Wow, it really took his time going through there.
Yeah. I don't know where the dryer timer is. So yeah. This must be a new...
It looks like the dryer's just shut off.
Yeah, let's go to the middle. He's getting on the carriage. Oh, one thing. This is not a regular radius. It is a Ryko radius HT, which is going to be my first. It used to be a Pico touchless tunnel due to the clearless bar. Hopefully you can see it on the sign.
Okay,
Until it was...
okay, drive through slowly.
Yeah.
Slowly.
Until it was...
Drive forward.
Yeah. Until it was replaced with this.
Oh, I almost jinxed it.
Yeah, I heard that. Anyways, I will be doing an outside view since it's been a while.
I wonder where the buzzer actually is.
Yeah, I agree, you know. Car and park for sign saying. And yes, we have gotten the luxury wash, which was $12.99 with a gas purchase. So let's see how it goes. This is actually a really big bay because there used to be a tunnel in there.
Pico.
A Pico touchless tunnel.
And no, we're not mistaken for the Wash World Razor at
Canadian
Tire
Tire.
at Newmarket.
Yeah.
Okay, now I actually see the Pico logo on the clearance bar.
Yeah, I see it too. Yeah, it's doing. I wonder what wash he got in. I think he got it for full wash or full box.
Okay, no, never mind.
Applying
Sorry.
pre-soap. Applying pre-soap, I'm saying. Seems like it's in great shape, a new model. And yes,
Okay, now it says pre-soak.
pre-soap soaking, you can see. And
I
there's
love how the sign fades out like that.
yeah, I agree, you know. I'm wondering if, I'm not sure if there's a dryer timer in here.
Okay, now it says high impact wash.
High impact wash, which is a high pressure rinse.
I love how they bolded the high and the wash on the display.
Yeah. Yeah, I agree. Seems like it's doing a slow little pass right now. Okay. Yeah, zoom it back, you can see. A really nice slow pass, fast for sure. Oh, I think he got him before wash since he didn't get the tri-foam.
Rinsing.
And we should hear the frost pro dryer kick in right now.
Yep, there it goes.
Yeah, let's see if it drops down this time, like it didn't. No, it's not for some reason.
That's weird.
Yeah, that's really odd.
The door's not opening yet.
Yeah.
Okay,
Access.
now it is.
Yeah. Access slowly food dryer.
Thank you for your business.
Yeah.
Let's see what it actually.
Yeah. Let's see have a
Slowly.
food dryer. Yeah. This used to be the on for run station again, like the Alpha Esso stations.
And there's boss growing down here.
Oh.
Welcome. Please enter code.
Yeah, please enter for code. I was actually planning to do a brand new I was actually planning to do a brand new Esso station near the Pickering GO station with a brand new touchless tunnel. I mean, a touchless car wash. Until, but it was just the station opened up, but the car wash isn't. So we have to come here instead for a replacement. So yeah. And for wash at the new wash at the Esso is a laser wash 360, which is really rare for an Esso. So yeah.
Yeah, but it was unfortunately out of service.
Yeah, it
was still under construction.
Yeah, it was under construction, but oh well.
Oh, you can see the drive motor on that thing.
Yeah. We can see well, nice clear view. Anyways, I think I'm gonna need to pause it. Yeah, I think this should...
Try not to get the license plate.
Yeah, I'm trying not to anyway. Anyways, I think I will probably make a second part of...
Oh, we're actually following Mom.
Yeah. So, yeah, a plain piece soap. I'm hoping he should get the luxury washed because of the plaster again.
Well, I guess we'll just see what happens.
Yeah.
What's this?
Yeah.
What's this?
Ryko Radius HT. That's a new system for me. I'll probably post the inside view on the next video.
I wonder if they still made Rykos. Do you think they would have converted that to an LCD screen?
I don't know, to be honest.
Well, that would be cool.
Yeah. High impact wash right now. Well, they still make the soft gloss Max, but they discontinued that soft gloss XS.
And those
too.
are only in the US.
Yeah, these are only in the US. I actually filmed one last year in Exxon in Findlay, Ohio with onboard dryers, which scratched our car.
Do you have family there or something?
No, we had to do a business trip down there.
Oh.
And in fact, down there was a hotel where I first filmed my new
Your first
elevator video. It was an Otis elevator. Anyways, that's
the window's getting soaked by this.
That's the.
At least.
Please be
if we were in the U.S., my pants would be soaked right now.
Yeah. Please be for triphone. Yes, for triphone. So he's getting for triphone. And it looks like for coverage.
There's only pink and blue.
Yeah.
There ain't no yellow to be shown.
Yeah. A double phone, but still good coverage. Second pass of a high pressure rinse. It's rinsing. Anyways, I think after this car I will pause
I don't know why, but the Triumph foam seems to get the arm
really
color.
well. I agree, you know. Anyway.
Too bad it ain't able to wash itself off.
Yeah, I agree.
You know what would be cool though? If there was like this, if there were like touch-free bays,
yeah,
they were actually like able to actually wash the bay floor off.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah, it's doing for Shine Guard Plus.
Car's just turned on.
Yeah.
Is it gonna drop or? Yep, it's dropping.
Yeah, I guess the first guy has like a bug diffractor on the car. Exit slowly through dryer. You can see the tracks that person.
Thank you for your business.
Yeah, you can see on the sign. Anyways, I'm going to pause it right now for the inside view video. So I will see you then. I'll see you on the next video.